Hi there, it's Derek here again. It's part of our Slide Edge video review series, and what we have to do is we're relating the Slide Edge to our business. Now, I'm a business coach myself, and the Slide Edge is very relevant to what we do and what we teach our clients on a daily basis, and as well as in Carbon Copy, it's how we actually work with our team members as well in terms of how they actually run their business. Now, the first chapter on the Slide Edge is actually called the Slide Edge, and it asks the question, what do people need to do in order to have, and it goes a bit deeper than that. It asks the question about, in order to have something, you have to first of all do something to get that, but that's not enough. You have to be someone first as well. So it's effectively the be do have philosophy, and the Slight Edge in one sense calls it, what's your philosophy? Do you have the philosophy of success? Do you have the right mindset for success? It's the same as a weight loss program. You can't lose weight and keep it off if you don't see yourself as a slim person in the very first instance. Now, this relates very much to how we run our Carbon Copy business, or how we run our any business that you get involved in. You have to have the right success-oriented philosophy from the outset. If you don't have that, any obstacle that comes in your way will become a complete roadblock for you. If you have the right mindset, every obstacle becomes effectively a stepping stone, and that's very important. I always use the example myself in in seminars and in training sessions of Muhammad Ali. When he was boxing, he always believed himself in advance to be the champion. So his philosophy was he was the champion, so he was being the champion, and he behaved like the champion. And as it turned out, some of his opponents saw him as a champion as well, and that would have done nothing for their own mindset. So the mindset that you adopt when you're starting your business, or when you're running your business, or applying it to Carbon Copy, or applying it to anything at all, is that the mindset has to be one of success, it has to be one of continuity, it has to be one of sustained momentum, and it has to be ongoing and focused. So that's very important, and that's what I took from the first chapter of The Slight Edge, which is entitled The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. So that's it. I'll talk to you about the next video on the next video. Thank you.